Hello guys, this is Naren. Today's class is Flume. Using Flume, we'll do Twitter analysis. We'll import data from Twitter. Okay, first thing, what is Flume? Flume. Using Flume, we can import data from online sources or streaming sources. What is streaming? What is streaming means continuous thing. If you want to import streaming data, we use Flume. Okay, today's class we'll do Twitter analysis. Twitter analysis. Twitter analysis. So thing is we need to import data from Twitter to our HDFS. For that we need to import we need to download Apache Flume software. After that you have to extract that, then we need to do modifications in configuration files. First I'll tell you how it will be helpful. Social media has gained immense popularity with marketing teams, and Twitter is an effective tool for companies to get people excited about its products. Uh, okay, I'll give you an example. See, if a company released a product, maybe a phone, they want to know what people discussing about their product. If people are discussing positively or negatively. Okay, one phone got released in the market. They 2.0, some 2.0 version. In that, they want to know what people are liking, what people are disliking. By that, let's say people are liking this is pretty cool phone, good camera, and with good speed. And dislikes like, okay, need to change model and they need more colors, and they're asking this kind of things. In Twitter they'll tweet every person means who are using that product, they'll discuss in Twitter using tags, right? Using tags people will discuss about particular product. By that companies can fetch this information and they can modify their product and re-release it in market. By that more people will attract to their products, more people will get attract to that products. Why? According to their inputs, they recreated that product. Okay. See, same thing here. Twitter makes it easy to engage users and community directly with them, and in turn, user can provide word of mouth marketing for companies by discussing the product. Given limited resources and knowing we may not be able to talk to everyone, we can't directly reach each and every customer directly. Marketing departments can be more efficient by being selective about whom we reach to out. Okay, how they'll do that? Doing some social networking marketing. By that, they can directly target their customers. Here, some magazines or in this magazine, Time magazine, publishing who is the most efficient or influential people on particular year. How they are doing? They are doing lot of social network research. By doing that, they are giving such a kind of results. Okay, if you want to do Twitter analysis, how will you do that? In Twitter, in Twitter, we'll get continuous data, nothing but streaming data. From Twitter, we'll get streaming data. Twitter expose the data in JSON format. JSON format. You need to import the data, which is continuous data, to HDFS. HDFS. Then we need to do analysis of the data whatever you imported. How will you import the data? We have a tool called Flume. Flume. Flume acts as bridge between your Twitter and your HDFS. It will help you to import data from your Twitter to HDFS. Solution characteristics: handle big data, handle JSON data. System should be able to fetch data from Twitter. Quick analytic capabilities. Here see, here we have Twitter, Flume acting as a bridge between your Twitter and HDFS. Whatever the data you got in HDFS, will analyze the data using Hive. Okay, first thing, you need your Flume software. Flume software, you have to download it. After that, you have to extract it. Then you have to modify your Flume configuration. If you want to do Twitter analysis, you need a Twitter account. You need to sign in into your Twitter account. Let me open my Twitter, twitter.com. After login into the your Twitter account, you have to open apps.twitter.com. apps.twitter.com. Here you are able to see create new app. You have to click on create new app. Whenever you open apps.twitter.com, here you are able to see create new app. Click on that. Then you have to give your application name. Here I'm giving this for online class application. Online class application. This is online class. So let's just, okay, you can give any description and you have to give any website name there. Here I'm giving http google.co.in. Callback URL not required. Developer agreement. Click on that and create your Twitter application. Create your Twitter application. Your application got created. Online class app. In this, you are able to see detailed settings, keys and access tokens, and permissions. Click on keys and access tokens. There you are able to see consumer key, consumer secret, and you will see create my access token. You have to click on create my access token. By default, you will get consumer key and consumer secret key, and you have to generate access token and access token secret by clicking on create my access token. See, whenever you click on that, it will create your access token and access token secret. Okay, it is starting my VM. In your Flume software, in configuration directory, you will have flumeconf. One file will be there called flumeconf. In that flumeconf, wait, it is taking time. In flumeconf, you have to give these keys: access token secret, and consumer secret. Okay, started. In my home, new data 2, here I have directory called Flume. We have to extract this Apache Flume I already extracted. In this you have configuration directory. In this configuration directory, we have to modify flume.conf. Click on flume.conf, and whatever the keys you generated, you have to give that keys here. Here I have this is your Flume configuration source. Source is nothing but from where you are getting your data. That is nothing but Twitter. And channel, using memory channel, we are transferring data from Twitter to HDFS. Sync means where you are storing your data. Type, this is default one, com.cloudera, Flume source, Twitter source, channel is memory channel, and here we generated these four keys: consumer key, consumer secret, access token, and access token secret. Okay, first we need to give that keys. Let me copy that. Okay, this is my consumer key, consumer key, and consumer secret key. Next, access token, access token secret. Copying access token, and access token secret. What I need to do? I need to add all these keys. Remove this space. Here I have keywords. Which feeds you want to import? Using, we need to give that keywords. We need to give that keywords. Okay, here I'm giving Narendra Modi, Namo, India, USA. I want to import feeds whoever tweeted with these names: Narendra Modi or Namo or India or USA. Okay, whoever tweeting with these keywords, I'll get all those tweets. Here we have memory channel. Channel is memory channel, type HDFS, and path. In this path, see here, HDFS localhost 8020 user flume tweets %y, %m, %d, %h. Nothing but in user flume tweets location, year, month, date, current year, current month, current date, and right now the timestamp. Your tweets will save in this location. In this location, okay. Save this file and close it. Close it. You have bin. In bin you have flume ng. This flume ng means flume next generation. Flume next generation. That will help you to, that flume ng will help you to run your flume configuration file, whatever you modified. It will help you to run that file. Let's clear screen. Okay. I'm just copying the path of that particular directory. I'm changing directory using cd command. Okay, ls. Here I have flume is there. What is the location? pwd, present working directory. It is in your home training new data to 7 flume apache flume directory. In apache flume directory bin you have flume. From here we have to execute this flume command. This is your flume. Flume means flume next generation. What we are doing, we are running that flume agent and Twitter agent minus C configuration. What conf minus F? It will help you to run this flume conf file. Whatever the file, this is the path of your file. This is the path of your flume configuration file. Okay, just copy it. Here we are running this flume configuration. Flume configuration. Not this one. Right click. See, HDFS registered successfully. Now you will get data into that particular location. Localhost 8020 user Flume feeds today date 2017 8th month and 5 date and present timestamp. 1 means 13. Okay, let's go and check in your from browser. 50070 for your HDFS administrator. You have to click on the browser file system and there user Flume, right? Go to user. In this user, you have Flume. In the Flume, you have tweets. In tweets 2017. In 2017, what's this month? 08. In 08, today 5th and 13 hours. In 13 hours, with the timestamp, we are getting tweets. Okay? We are getting tweets in JSON format. What is JSON format? JSON nothing but keys and values. JSON nothing but keys and values. Here you got complete tweet. Here you got tweet. Okay, let's say control A, control C. What we did now, we imported data from Twitter to HDFS. JSON formatter, JSON formatter and validator. See here, whatever the tweet you got, just paste here, process it. In Hadoop, what will happen? Whatever the data you have, it will divide into blocks. See here, part of data we have, and complete the tweet. In the next chunk, you have next part of your tweet. View next chunk, you have next part of that tweet. Tweet, whatever the tweets we downloaded, this is the next part of that. Okay, we only copied some part of the tweets. We only copied some part of tweets, not complete tweets. So here I got my tweets. Uh, I formatted it using JSON formatter. Here you are able to see your data, key values, key values. Here text will be there. Text means your tweet. See here we got so many tweets. Mm, See Narendra Modi you got, Smriti Irani, and some tweets we got. Okay, this is how we'll import data from Twitter to HDFS using Flume. Okay, next we have to create table for that using Hive. Using Hive, we can create table to that unstructured data. Whatever the data we got, that is in JSON format. We need to load the data into your regular Hive table. Okay, if you want to quit from this, you will get continuously, you will get data from Twitter to your HDFS. You need to stop it, otherwise it will continuously import data from your Twitter to your HDFS. You want to terminate this job by doing Control C, it will terminate your job. Okay, I stopped it. Okay, now just Control L, clear screen shortcut, CD. Okay, to enter into Hive, what we have to do? We have to type Hive. It will take you to your Hive terminal. What is our language? HQL, Hive query language. Okay, here I'm creating one database. Create database. Twitter TWT. I created database TWT. Okay, show databases. Here it will show your TWT. Use TWT. In this, I need to create a table. I'm creating table. See, we need to create table for JSON, right? JSON data. So we need to add some jars. that is hive snapshot dot jar. Hive snapshot dot jar. uh, this one. If you want to add this jar, right click on that, copy the location. Whenever you're copying in Linux any file, it will copy that file path. When you paste it in your terminal, it will paste only path, not file. Okay, add jar and jar location. Okay, jar added. Now we have to create our table. Here we have one table, create external table tweets. I got it, these fields, whatever the fields I have from this JSON. Whenever I use JSON formatter, I got to know that here all these are filter level I have retweeted, in reply to screen name, possible sensitivity, all these are fields, and in that fields you have data. Okay, so according to my requirement, what is my requirement? I want to find out which tweet got retweeted more number of times. According to my requirement, I created a table whatever I want. Okay, what is my table name? Here tweets 2. I'll make it tweets, create external table. What is study? Study is nothing but serializer and deserializer. We already discussed these things, how to create table and how to load data, what is external table, manage table, all these things we discussed in our previous classes. Now I'm creating this table in your TWT database. Show tables, show tables. Your table got created. Now you need to load the data. You need to load the data. How will you load? You know the location. This is your tweets location. Okay, copy this. Sorry, user Flume tweets 2017 08 05 13. There you have all your tweets. There you got all your tweets. Now you have to load the data into your table. This is my path where my tweets are there. Okay, these tweets in my hdfs, so I need not to give local, I have to give only in path. Instead of local, I need to provide only in path. Load data in path and the location of your tweets overwrite into table. What's your table name? Tweets. Your table name is tweets. Okay, by doing this I'll get data into my tweets table. Load data in path. In path means your data in your hdfs, not in your local file system. If your data in local file system, you have to give local in path. And overwrite, what overwrite will do? If you have any data, if you have any data inside the table, it will remove the data and it will overwrite new data into your table. Okay, deleted, why you are able to see deleted here? Whenever you load your data in your hive, it will copy all your tweets from this location to your hive warehouse. In warehouse, your db, in your database, in your table, it will copy all these files. Refresh it, you won't see these files here. Refreshing. Taking time. Slow browser. Okay, you don't have your, here it is showing does not exist. does not exist. Where these files got moved? In user Hive warehouse, as we discussed previously, it will create your database. What is our database? TWT. In this database, it will create a directory with your table name. Tweets. Here you got all your tweets. Okay, here you got all your tweets. Just do one thing. Select star from tweets. Select star from tweets. You got all your tweets into your table. You got all tweets into your table. So here I want to see which tweet got retweeted more number of times. Select retweeted status. Select retweeted status user screen name as retweeted screen name. Okay, I'm making this field name as retweeted screen name. Means I'm giving alias name. Instead of giving this entire name, I'm just using retweeted screen name, retweeted status.txt, nothing but your tweet, and max retweeted status retweet count. Means how many times that tweet got retweeted from tweets table. From tweets table. Let me show you that thing. Control C. Here you are getting your, it will show you your screen name. Username means your Twitter username, and tweet, and how many times the tweet got retweeted. That information you will get. It is taking time. What happening? Whatever the commands you are giving in your Hive query language, that HQL converting into MapReduce and executing on your data inside the HDFS. Okay, as we discussed in the previous classes, whatever the code you give, it will convert. Your Hive will convert your code into MapReduce, and it will execute on your data as a MapReduce. Okay, here all these things are Saroj Sharma and Sodili, and all these are username, and these things are your tweets. Here you got your username and tweet. See what you got. Here you got Narendra Modi, PMO Modi, Narendra Modi, vote and something. Richest people, MC Master fired, put as it Donald Trump has great US, this thing related to US. And here I provided India, brother, for centuries, India. Okay, here we got, and this thing, how many times that particular tweet got retweeted. Retweeted. Okay, guys. Okay, now I don't want to see all these tweets and everything. I just want to see top 20 tweets, which tweets got more number of times retweeted. So here what I provided, total retweets, descending order, limit 10. Descending order limit 10 means you will get top 10. Top 10 tweets. From this output, you will get top 10 which tweets got retweeted, only username and how many times the tweet got retweeted. That information you will get. Again, it is converting into MapReduce. This is how we do Twitter analysis using Flume and Hive. Okay, guys, if you have any doubts, you can comment, or you can mail, or you can contact me in this session. Still executing. Okay, Microsoft 42 tweet got retweeted 29956 times. We go and check whether, okay, If you want, you can go and check in your Twitter using this Twitter name. You will find the tweet with this many retweets. Okay, I'll show you that thing also. See what we did today. We imported data from Twitter, nothing but streaming data. We got streaming data from Twitter using what we copied. 1 second. Copy this and paste it here and search. You'll get it. You have to search it. You'll get somewhere. See, where is that username? Okay. Anyway, you'll get that tweets by searching. We have to do manually search that where is that particular tweet that many times retweeted. Okay. Okay, guys. This is all about your Twitter analysis. Thank you. Thanks for attending this session. And if you have any doubts, please comment your doubts. I will happily reply to your doubts. Thank you. Bye.